The Global Social Leaders Festival at Home on the 18th and 19th of June 2020 will explore with inspirational speakers and guests through workshops and awards how to make the local global. We are delighted to share that we will be joined by Lord Michael Hastings CBE, SHONA MCCARTHY, Chief Executive of the Edinburgh Festival Fringe Society, DAISH, environmental activist, ALICIA Jones, Member of Youth Parliament for THURROCK, Ben Scott Robinson from the Small Robot Company, and many more. Our festival will be the culmination of action, celebrating and sharing the projects young people have been working on this year. Visit the GSL website to find out more and to register to join the GSL Festival at Home. We will come together as we build towards a brighter, more sustainable future for all. It's time to think globally, act socially, and start now.